Up to now, we've only dealt with pre-created reports in Patricia. But as previously mentioned, we can run custom reports that we create. The process of creating a custom report will be discussed in the next video, but for now, we will focus on where to find these reports and run them. All custom reports can be found under the Custom Reports page. This area is split into two parts. In the top half, we can see all the reports available to run. These reports are grouped under the report type. In my example, I can see we have case reports and name reports. Note that you can limit the type of report that is visible by ticking the case, name, or SQL tick boxes here. There's also a handy search field if you wish to search for a specific report. The bottom half of the screen is where we see the criteria for a selected report. Select any report line to have the criteria appear. To run this report, add in the missing criteria and click on View. In my example, I need to add the following criteria: a name number and a name type. I can search for my name number using the looking glass icon or type out the number in the field itself. Then I need to choose the name type. I will choose applicant. I can add multiple criteria to a single line by ticking the multiple tick box. This means that I can add multiple name numbers or name types to search on. I will search for cases where this name number is both applicant and client. To do so, click the plus icon next to the name type to add additional entries. I will then choose client and do the same. Click View to generate the report. My report will now generate. On this window, you have various export options available. You can export the report to a specific file type by choosing that type from this drop-down and then clicking Save to File. You can also export this directly to Excel by clicking on the Export to Excel button. Let's take a closer look at sorting. To sort your report, left-click on a column header. I will click on the country heading to sort it by country. Click the same heading again to sort it by descending order. Take note of the small triangle icon that displays whether ascending or descending order is applied. What if we wanted to sort by multiple headings? So I want to sort according to case number first and then catchword. Simply clicking on the header will not work because each header click will sort your data afresh. To multiple sort, we need to access a specific sorting area in our report. Hold down Shift on the keyboard and left click on the column heading. This will bring up the Specify Sort column window. This window might seem a bit intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. Under the heading Source Data, we have all the columns available to sort by. On the right, under Columns, is the actual sort order that we want. We define the sort order by dragging from the left, which is the source, to the right, which is the sort order. I will sort this by case number first and then catchword. First, I click on the case number field and then drag this over to the right. Next, click and drag the catchword over to the right. Once I click OK, my report will then be sorted by case number first and then catchword. Before we do this though, you can choose ascending or descending order by ticking the tick boxes here. Let's click on OK. As you can see, my reports are now sorted by multiple columns.